them say when it rains it pours. I'm in a hide and talk, it pouring right now. So about the 12th of the month, I buy 4 brand new tires. This morning I drive up on the road, and between driving up on the road and driving back, which didn't take more than maybe an hour or 1.5 at most, pick up the longest nail I ever seen in my life in the brand new tire. So I'm back at PEPBOYS. Hopefully it don't cost me nothing. Some people are gonna say it shouldn't, but I'm showing you the tire. I'm just showing you the tire. Watch out, babes. And it still have more. Still have more in there. So tell me now, guys, what kind of salt me salt so? Eh? Tell me what kind of salt me salt so?
Sea salt. You're not pushing it, man?
No.
Sea salt.
May I tell you? Salt, brother.
Keep on there.
May I tell you? It's a struggle. And just pray for me, man. 2024 hour pan come because I need a break. New Year break. Something like that. So I'm gonna try driving in the car there now. So it can be done. I asked him to give me the nail. I want to show the people them the nail. See nail here? That nail here, ladies and gentlemen. This get night tire. See man them put down there. Can't believe it? Look here. Into the tire. It's crazy.
I'm already doing. Thank God we're all set done. Just got the nail removed. Got a whole brand new tire, right?
Yeah, to replace the new tire.
But that's a blessing,
Yeah,
you know?
because
I don't know if there was any guarantee that you would have gotten it either fixed for free, worse, replaced with a brand new tire. But you know, it's a pleasant surprise.
right.
And we are grateful.
And you know, say sometimes when things happen like that, you want to complain, mess up your time, you understand? You want to complain, but sometimes these things happen for you. Just take a break and just thank God for His goodness, you know. I don't know what He used this to prevent from happening. What could have been on the road that would have greeted us, you know, they made any little thing.
Yeah. What's the reason for the delay? Or for the change in the trajectory of our day? But we're just, you know, glad that it was all worked out. We're so appreciative of the staff too at PEPBOYS. They were
Carlos,
super
the manager,
duper accommodative. Yeah.
Carlos, the manager, was very, very accommodative and a good youth overall. He told me, you know, come on in. Even though you're not scheduled, there was some people before us. We had to wait maybe just a little bit over an hour or something, maybe 2 hours. Sound like 2 hours, yeah. From 3, little bit after 3, and now it's after 5. So yeah. But you know what? The fact is that my neighbor said to me, if they did not, if you can't get it, if you can't get a new tire, at least ask them to hot patch it. You know, and that was an option because of the type of tire deal where them did have. So it wasn't a guarantee that I'm gonna get a new tire. But the youth working magic, and you know, even when I try to tip him a little change, he must say, no, I'm a good man. I may say, yeah, but you know, if it's even a soda bite, because I want to tip you with something, I want to get something, and him, you know, it was gracious. You know, sometimes when you see that type of gratitude and that type of vibe there, it encourages you to deal with them good, you know. Okay, some people are going to say it's a store policy, them supposed to do it, but store policy can't build character. You know, put on the seatbelt. So, we want to thank him for that. We want to thank him for that, you know, for being that type of person. And,
for real.
yeah, when for the new year, we hope that we will have many more good stories, you know, to share with the people them. And we just want to encourage everybody, you know, to always look on the brighter side of things. Please and thanks. Yeah, phone a dance though. Yeah,
that's another thing. Pray for us. We need some shocks for this car.
We need a car for the shocks.
We need a brand new car for the shocks, okay? Because the bouncing is real over here.
The bouncing.
Anyway, wrap up the video.
Have a great evening. Bye.
Have a nice time.